Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn about story sums of addition and subtraction. Kids, we have already learned about numbers and how to add and subtract different numbers. But do you know that these numbers, additions and subtractions help us in solving different life problems? When you go shopping, then these additions and subtractions help you to find out what amount of money you need to pay to the shopkeeper and how much the shopkeeper will return to you if you pay extra money. So these numbers, additions and subtractions actually help us to solve several everyday life problems. Let's begin with story sum of addition. In a garden, there are 130 red roses and 220 white roses. How many roses are there in all? All, it means total, means addition. So let's solve this problem. Number of red roses are 130 and number of white roses are 220. Then the total number of roses is equal to 130 plus 220. Let's add them together. Start from ones place. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now coming on tens place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And now come on hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Thus there are 350 roses in the garden in all. Now let's solve word problem on subtraction. In a class, there are 470 boys and 200 girls. How many girls are less than the number of boys? Less than means subtraction. Let's solve this problem. Number of boys in the class are 470 and number of girls in the class are 200. The number of girls less than number of boys is equal to 470 minus 200. Let's subtract them. Starting from ones place. We subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. Now coming on tens place, we subtract 0 from 7, we get 7. Now coming on hundreds place, we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2. So 270 girls are less than the number of boys. Let's take another example. At a polling booth, 850 males and 625 females cast their votes. Out of these, 375 votes were invalid. What was the number of valid votes? To solve this problem, we have to do addition as well as subtraction. So let's solve. First of all, we have to find out total number of votes. So number of votes cast by males were 850. Number of votes cast by females were 625. Total number of votes cast is equal to 850 plus 625. Let's solve them. Start from ones place. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now coming on tens place. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now coming on hundreds place. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So the total number of votes were 1475. According to the question, out of these votes, 375 votes were invalid. So the number of valid votes will be 1475 minus 375. Let's subtract them. Start from ones place. We subtract 5 from 5, we get 0. Now coming on tens place, we subtract 7 from 7, we get 0. Now coming on hundreds place, we subtract 3 from 4, we get 1. Now coming on thousands place, we subtract 0 from 1, we get 1. So the number of valid votes 1100. Thus there are 1100 valid votes. I hope it was easy to learn about story sums of addition and subtraction. Thank you.